My name is Ella. I am 26 years old, and I never thought something like this could happen to me. Not in this life, not in this world, not to two sisters who only had each other. I believed love was safe. To me, family felt simple. I thought my sister would never hide anything from me. But the day I found out my fiancé proposed to her too, my whole life broke open like a secret door I was never meant to open. After our mother died, my younger sister, Mina, and I stayed alone in the world. We had no father, no aunts, no uncles, only each other. A family friend, Mr. Hale, told us we could stay in his house for some time. He lived in a big modern home in the city. The windows were long and made of glass. The lights were soft and the rooms were quiet. At first, everything felt safe. Then we met his son. His name was Lucas Hale. He was 29, tall, calm, and always polite. He worked in tech. He dressed perfectly. He spoke softly like nothing in life could ever bother him. I did not fear him. I did not suspect him. He helped us with everything. He drove us to work. He brought us coffee. He fixed broken things in our rooms. He asked if we needed anything. He acted like a gentleman. But slowly, something felt wrong. Lucas watched us too closely. He knew where we went every day. He asked who we talked to. He asked why we came home late. His questions felt gentle, but his eyes felt sharp. Sometimes I felt like he wanted control. Sometimes I felt like he wanted more than friendship. But I told myself I was imagining things until the night he proposed to me. One evening, I came home from a long shift at work. The house was quiet. Only a warm lamp lit the living room. Lucas sat on the sofa. He looked serious but calm. He said, "Ella, sit with me. I need to talk." My heart beat fast. His tone felt strange. I sat down, and then he said it. "Ella, will you marry me?" I froze. I did not expect it. We were not dating. We never had a romantic moment. I did not love him. I whispered, "Lucas, I am not ready. This is too fast." He smiled a soft, strange smile. "It is all right. You can think about it." Nothing about his voice felt normal. It felt like a quiet order. I left the room with shaking hands. The next morning, I saw Mina sitting in the kitchen. Her face was pale. Her hands were cold. I asked, "Mina, what happened?" She looked at me with fear and said, "Lucas proposed to me last night." My whole body froze. "He proposed to you?" I asked. She nodded slowly. "He said I am perfect for him. He said he wants me." I felt sick. I felt angry. I felt scared. He proposed to both of us in the same house, at the same time. Something was very wrong with him. After that, Lucas changed. He watched us more. He walked behind us in the hallway. He listened outside our doors. He checked our rooms when we were gone. At night, I heard footsteps outside my door, like someone waiting. Mina said she heard whispering near her window. We could not sleep. We could not relax. The house that once felt safe now felt dangerous. One afternoon, I found Mr. Hale in the garden. He looked tired and worried. I said, "Sir, something is wrong with Lucas." He closed his eyes and sighed. Then he said something that made my blood run cold. Lucas has been in treatment before. He becomes attached too fast. He believes people belong to him. He cannot understand real love. I felt my stomach twist. Why did he propose to both of us? I asked. Mr. Hale looked away and whispered, "He does not see love clearly. He creates stories in his mind. In those stories, you two are part of his perfect world." My hands shook. My voice cracked. "We need to leave," I said. He nodded. "I will help you. Just be careful." That night, Mina came to my room. She was trembling. She said, "Ella, he came to my door. He said he knows our future. He said one of us must marry him." Before I could answer, we heard footsteps in the hallway coming toward my room. We held our breath. The door handle moved. Lucas said from outside, "Please open the door. We need to talk." His voice was soft, but it felt dangerous. We stayed silent. He tried the handle again. My heart pounded. Suddenly, Mr. Hale shouted from downstairs, "Lucas, stop right now." Lucas froze. We heard him breathing. Then his footsteps faded away. We did not sleep at all that night. In the morning, Mr. Hale said quietly, "You must leave today." We packed fast. We kept checking the hallway. When we reached the front door, Lucas stood at the top of the stairs. He watched us with empty eyes. No smile, no anger, just emptiness. That was worse than rage. We left quickly. We did not look back. We live in a small apartment now. We do not trust easily anymore. Sometimes Mina wakes up crying. Sometimes I check the hallway 10 times before sleeping. Fear stays in your body even when the danger is gone.